Hey guys, so today weather sucks. It's just rained for like 3 weeks straight, but yeah, it's awful. So today we're in the garage and we're gonna put on some graphics. We're gonna remove the graphics off of this little side-by-side here. It's not really a side, yeah, I guess it is a side-by-side. It's got 2 seats. Woo! But we're gonna remove the green and black decals and put on these pink and black and white decals for a girl. It's for a girl for her birthday. And today's a good day to even do it. So we're gonna video to putting on some decals today. What do you think, Aaron? He said woo. So let's roll some footage. Welcome to today's class. So, my question to you guys today is, what do you do for a side hustle when your side hustle is not working out for your main hustle? So we do vinyl wrapping for cars and vans and trucks and stuff, boats. And when the detailing is not good, which this last 3 weeks the rain has killed us, we try to do stuff like this, which we have several people calling us wanting to either detail side by side or put graphics on side by sides, and it's a pretty good little side job to our main job. So think about, I don't know if they four-wheel where you guys live here in Kentucky, it's huge, but yeah, this is a pretty good little side for us next to our mobile detailing and our vehicle wrap stuff. So check it out. You pull the fingernail off. Alright, so you got, looks like 3 or 4 decals right there. 170 EFI. So, let's see how it goes. See if I want to sit you on top of the lawnmower. There we go. Cool.
Hard to tell what the graphic like.
Too. I'm old. got these little plastic scrapers. They got a plastic blade in them. They work really good. We use them on detailing also, trying to get gunk off of dashes and seats and different things. They're really good. They're not sharp enough to cut you, so I'm gonna leave that one on, but I don't know if they got another sticker in there. Just like that. No more graphics. So now we got it all. We got the two turn signal, fake turn signals. We're gonna reapply. Oh, she's all black now. So now we do a little cleanup on her. See where these new decals go. I know where some of them go. Oh, look, it even come with instructions. See, that's handy. Alright, so we got everything off of it. Before you take it outside, get these off there. We're going to take it out, pressure wash it, get it cleaned up, and then bring it back in here and dry it off and put some decals on it. So now we're going to clean it up a little bit, get some of the mud and stuff off of it. Make it look like a new one. All the mud off of it. We'll do a good wipe down on it. Iron's stuck in there. Amen. Got her all clean. We put some decals on her. Alright, so what I'm doing now is an alcohol wipe. We've got alcohol in a spray bottle. And we're just getting all the grease, fingerprints, oil, anything off the surface so that the decals will stick better. Kind of a good general wipe down, just to get anything that we might have missed with the pressure washer. Yeah, there we go. Let's do a walk around and see what it looks like. Ain't got the finger pieces on here yet. Yeah, I thought you was done. I thought he was done.
There's a billion pieces.
He's only got 75 pieces to put on. Looking good. Now, see if we can slide her. Feel soapy already. Yeah, boy, there we go. You got it there. Alright, so here's what we got so far. Gap in the front doesn't look like they cut it to match that angle, so I had to put a little bit of a gap there because I'm touching here and I'm touching here, so but it's tucked in. That's really good. And we got her done. Looking girly now. Got it all cleaned up. I got super glue on the reflectors on the front. Those ain't dry yet, so I gotta wait for those to dry good. Yeah, man. Turned out pretty. Got her all shined up. What do you think, Aaron?
It's good.
All right.